Hey guys, and thanks so much for joining me on my channel today. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video is an open collab that I am hosting with Amanda from Mom's Messy Kitchen and Missy from Love Missy XO. A couple of weeks ago, we asked everybody to get together and film their favorite Thanksgiving recipes. You could have done anything you wanted, dessert, side dishes, main dish, whatever. So I'm super excited to see what's on this playlist. I know you guys are going to be too. I will link it below, as well as Missy and Amanda's channels. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into some awesome Thanksgiving recipes. So my kind of theme for this video was to kind of do things that you don't have to cook on the stove or in the oven, because those are the two war zones during Thanksgiving, I feel like. So I'm showing you guys things that you can do outside of that. So the first thing that I have is a Crockpot stuffing that I'm going to show you guys. So this is extremely easy. All I'm doing is adding my 2 boxes of stuffing and my chicken broth to the slow cooker, and then I'm going to add in my sausage, onion, and celery. I did cook this just now when I was making this for you guys, but I've cooked it the night before and even 2 nights before just to make it easier on the day of. So all I'm going to do is mix that around, and I'm going to keep it in the slow cooker on high for about 2.5 hours. So the next thing I'm using is my Instant Pot, another thing that you can use on the day of Thanksgiving that is not the oven or the stove. I'm going to be making some Instant Pot mac and cheese. This is, again, extremely easy, super limited on ingredients. I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So basically everything except for the milk and the cheese goes in right now. So I got my butter, my chicken stock, my water, and my seasoned salt, and I'm mixing everything around. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this for 4 minutes on manual pressure, for it to come up to pressure. And then I'm also going to do a release, let it go for 4 minutes before I do the little quick release knob at the top. And then once I've done that, I'm adding in my milk and my cheese. So I'm going to keep stirring that until the cheese is melted. And it will be a little bit liquidy, but once it starts to set a little bit, cool off a little bit, then that's when it starts getting all thick and delicious. Oh, so good. So we've used our crock pot, we used our Instant Pot, and now I'm using the microwave. So this is going to just be some butterscotch fudge. I get made fun of a lot for liking butterscotch. I don't know why I get called grandma all the time, but I love butterscotch. Does anybody else love butterscotch? Am I the only person? I don't know. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if you like butterscotch, because I feel like I'm the only one out of everybody I know that loves butterscotch. But anyways, I'm going to show you how I make this butterscotch fudge. Alright, so again, couldn't be simpler unless you're me, and I always pick too small of a vessel for whatever I'm trying to do. So I just added everything in, of course, filled it to the tippy top, and had a heck of a time mixing this up, but I did my best, as you guys can see. And I just put that in the microwave for 30 minutes, oh my gosh, do not do that, 30 seconds. And then I kept going at 15-minute intervals until everything was all melted and delicious looking. And I'm putting it in a pan, a 9x9. 8x8 is better, but I don't think I have an 8x8 anymore. I think I gave it away, which was a bad move on my part. But I'm just spreading it here in some parchment paper. If you're not going to use parchment paper, you can use foil, but make sure you spray it really well. And then I also here have some sprinkles for Thanksgiving-y type of decoration. So I'm just putting those on top to make it look pretty. Alright, this is everything I made, guys. So I've got the stuffing, the fudge, and the mac and cheese. It's just so awesome to have these little standbys and delicious sides that you didn't have to use the stove or oven for. This stuffing was so surprising to me when I first made it, because it gets kind of hard, not hard, but the little crispy bits on top of stuffing when you put it in the oven. It had all that and more into it. It was so good. The fudge is absolutely delicious, but I love butterscotch. You guys can do this with chocolate chips. You can do it with white chocolate, whatever floats your boat. Peanut butter is good too. And then, of course, the mac and cheese, which is everybody's favorite. Everyone loves mac and cheese. I just put some fresh black pepper on mine. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So now that you guys have seen what I have to offer for my Thanksgiving recipes, go ahead and click the link down below to the playlist and check out what everybody else is offering you guys. I cannot wait to see what everybody's pulling out of their hats for Thanksgiving this year. I hope everybody has a blessed and awesome week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!